Hi, I'm Pamela from Content Clarity and welcome to my channel, which is all about helping you grow and scale your online business with ease. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the green screen effect in Instagram Reels to make your Reels a little bit more scroll stopping and a little bit more engaging. Now, Instagram Reels is fairly new as it currently stands, and a lot of people are just starting to dip their toe into the whole concept of short form video like TikToks and Reels. So if you are looking for something that looks a little bit different and going to help people stop the scroll as they're scrolling through, then let me show you now how you can add that green screen to your Instagram Reels. I will flip you over to my phone screen now and show you step by step how to do that. To add a green screen to your Instagram Reels, first click to add a new reel. Then if we go into effects, and what we're looking for, it might land you on trending, but what we're looking for is the part that says Reels. So if you arrive on here or here when you first land into here, I like to just go into Reels, and then I'm scrolling down, and what I'm looking for is this one here, and fantastically it is called green screen by Instagram. So once you've got that, that's great. You then click back in and all of a sudden you can see that there's the background has been removed. You can now add an image of your choosing. You can add a solid background color from your brand kit if you like. I could add that, for example, and be like, you know, this is what I wanted, this is what I got, you know, like you could do that. So again, you can add anything. Now you can use this as a way of, you know, showing something. Maybe it's a search result in Google, for example, and you're an SEO specialist and you're like, look how bad that is, or the fact that they have no reviews, you know, this is what you should be doing. If you wanted to demonstrate how someone did something, great. It's a great feature. Go and have a look and see how you get on. So there you have it. That is how you can add a green screen effect to your Instagram Reels. Have fun with that. Make sure if you do use it on Instagram that you tag me so that I can share some love with you over on Instagram. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on running your online business.